think I got enough off. Nah, maybe not.
Spot. There's too much paper here. I'm just go inside clean to the right of me.
What is this code? Normally it's like barbecue flavored.
This one tastes like shit.
What's that? He's like, hey, there's too much paper here.
I understand. He unwraps the good part and then you choose the paper.
I get it all off.
He can't use the paws and he's getting tired of it.
He's gonna spin it around.
He's like, I hate y'all. First year buddy actually unwraps his gift. Now we know what to get him every. Is he gonna unwrap your guys's?
Why not?
I think we can just get him a
I'll have to
paper.
inject it with some like flavoring first.
injected.
Next year we'll just take the whole thing up really big.
No.
Don't do it here.
Oh, what's this?
That's not bad. It wasn't wrapped real bad or anything.
He's like, yeah, I give up. I'm gonna just eat the bone.
I'm too tired.
You gonna get the rest off?
Okay, this first is paper.